Alright, now you may be someone who would like to keep your phone's home screen clutter-free by keeping a fewer number of app icons on the home screen. When you do that, you will have all the other applications on this app tray. So if you have to search a specific app which is not on your home screen, you will have to swipe up on the home screen to open the app tray. Then on the top, we have got this search or this finder bar. You will have to tap on that and then key in the app that you're searching for. These are the 3 steps to search an application on the app tray. Now, how about reaching this finder or this search bar with just one swipe on the home screen? That sounds interesting, isn't it? That is what we are going to check out in this video. If you're new on the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button to become a part of Apex community. Here on the channel, you will know the fullest potential of your phone. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button as well. Now let's go ahead. As you can see, I just swiped on the home screen. The search bar is right there and you can just key in the app name that you're searching for and you will see the results right here. Now to enable this one swipe access to the finder, you need GoodLock application, and inside GoodLock, you need a plugin called HomeUp. Now HomeUp is an amazing tool to customize your home screen. There are loads of features available on this particular plugin on GoodLock, which we have already discussed in the past. So in this video, we are going to focus on one particular feature to enable quick access to the finder. Now here under Home Up, you will see an option called Finder Access. Under Scroll Options, we have got this option Finder Access. It says open the Finder by swiping down anywhere on the Home and Apps screen. Let's tap on this. As you can see, under Finder Access, we have got Home Screen and App Screen. I have selected both. Now let me just go back to the home screen. As you can see on the home screen, when I swipe, I can access the search bar on the top. And when I'm on the app tray, I can just swipe down on the screen to instantly open the keyboard and key in the application name that I'm searching for. Of course, this finder will not only find your applications, it will also find your contacts, settings, options, etc. This is how we enable the finder access. But keep in mind, to enable this feature, you will have to turn off one particular toggle on home screen setting. Let me show you that. Let's press and hold on the home screen and tap on settings. Here we have got this toggle swipe down for notification panel. This has to be turned off to enable Finder access settings on the GoodLock module. So be sure to do that. That's about it. This is a useful tip for those of you who keeps minimum number of app icons on the home screen and prefer to search an application on the app tray. Let me know, what do you think? Do you prefer to enable this, or do you just want to keep all the application icons on the home screen? Or if you're someone who don't mind taking 3 steps to access the search bar on the app tray, let me know, drop a comment. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.